Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the BeeBee-66 Lite from FullSpeedRC, and this is basically the same model as the BeeBee-66 here, but the Lite version does not come with the full-size canopy and the prop guards, and also the prop guard little mount here. So basically the main difference here is the weight. You get a 25 gram micro here, and in the BeeBee-66 Lite, and then the full-size BeeBee-66 it comes in at 29 grams, so it's about a 4 gram difference between these two, and that makes a pretty big difference in terms of the performance. I mean, obviously it's not a whole lot of performance here on 1S, but the Lite version is capable of a lot more speed and a lot more maneuverability on the same 1S battery. I think it's like a 250 or 260 1S battery, and so I'm not going to go over all the specs and everything. I did all that here in the BeeBee-66 video, and I'll put a card in the corner here. You guys can watch that video if you want. All the specs, they're exactly the same. The main difference is the prop guards and the lower weight, and also the lower weight of the canopy as well, because it's a partial canopy and not full size. Now I got the original BeeBee-66 from GearBest, and they only sell this in a plug-and-play version, so you have to add your own receiver. And if you watch that video, you know you have to take this apart to install that receiver, and that could be kind of a hassle. If you buy from FullSpeedRC, which is the one here, I got the Lite version from FullSpeedRC. You can buy it in a plug-and-play, but I don't recommend it. I recommend buying one of the receiver versions. They do sell it in FlySky, Spectrum, and FreeSky versions. And when you buy the receiver that you want, the receiver comes pre-installed. This one here is the FlySky version, and the receiver was already pre-installed and configured from the factory. Additionally, it also comes with a tune as well, as all the FullSpeed products do. Came with pre-installed PIDs, so I flew it exactly the way it came out of the box. So you'll see that in the flight demo. Yeah, so if you are looking to not deal with putting receiver in that hassle, I would recommend getting one of the receiver versions from the FullSpeedRC website. And I'll put links to those in the description below. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you the flight footage. You'll see that if you watch the flight footage from the other video compared to the flight footage from this video, you'll definitely know this one's a lot better performer than the ones with the prop guards. And you know, the ones with the prop guards here have that additional weight on the edge of the micro that just makes the flight controller work a lot harder to control this quad. So keep that in mind. If you basically just want indoor, always go with something with prop guards, but you could do this. You could definitely fly this indoors as well if you have more skill and just don't crash into stuff. But without the prop guards, you'll probably damage the props more or the motors more. But if you're pretty skilled in flying in a smaller space without crashing, then this is definitely a better performer. Anyway, I'll go ahead and I'll roll the flight footage now, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.